Hello. Problems associated with lack of sleep. Early to bed, early to rise is the key. So why is sleep important? Because it improves memory as the brain functions very well. You can see it improves the mental and physical health. Improves memory as we discussed earlier. And we give more attention. And when you don't want to sleep early because of movies or fun, oh my god, popcorns, movies, late night movies, and pillow fights. That makes us tired, cranky, and fat. See, there is an increase in blood pressure, mood swings, and obesity.